Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PySpark partitioning strategies for performance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable PySpark partitioning strategies for performance, start by launching your PySpark environment. Import the necessary modules by adding from PySpark.sql import Spark session. Create a Spark session using Spark equals Spark session.builder.appname, myapp.get or create. Load your data into a data frame with the appropriate format, such as CSV or Parquet. Use df equals spark.read.csv, your underscore data.csv, header equals true, infer schema equals true, to read your data. Examine your data frame by calling df.show, to get a sense of its structure. Identify the columns to partition by, which will help in optimizing your data layout. Implement repartitioning by using df equals df.repartition, column underscore to underscore partition, replacing the placeholder with your For larger datasets, you may want to use df equals df.repartition, number underscore partitions, column underscore to underscore partition. To optimize further, consider coalescing partitions with df equals df.coalesce, number underscore partitions, after transformations if use the write method to save your partition data, for instance, df.write.partition by, column underscore to underscore partition, .format. Verify the partitioning on your output files by exploring the file system where the data was saved. Utilize df.explain to review the physical plan and ensure your partitioning strategy is properly applied. Regularly monitor your job performance using the Spark UI, which can provide insights into task execution times. Adjust your partitioning strategy based on the performance metrics you observe for future jobs. Consider also utilizing bucketing if you have a skewed dataset, which can further enhance performance. Lastly, remember that the choice of partitioning strategy depends on the nature of your data and your specific use case. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.